Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to discuss the data science interview question which have recently asked into the one of the interview. So one person have recently sit into the data science interview round, and into the technical round they have asked this question. So basically this is the common question which many of the interviewer used to ask, and like they will share this scenario in the technical round. Basically they will share this scenario and you have to give the query like how you will approach this question or how you will solve this question. Many of the interviewer used to ask this, and we will solve this question. First we will try to visualize the data, how it look and feel, and how we will approach this question. And I used to share tips and tricks over the data science interview. I used to upload so many data science related videos as well. I used to share what are the industry trends in this, like how we will utilize the tools such as SQL Server, how we are using Azure data and all those things into the uh, industry. So I used to share all those details. So subscribe to me, and I have also uploaded recently the IBM interview questions. So these are the actual ask question into the interview. So if you have not view or not watch till at, you can go and you can prepare for your IBM data science interview as well. Like if you will apply, you have to first go through the assessment round. In an assessment they will ask two question. One is will be of DSN, another will be of like SQL question. So I used to solve all the SQL question which they used to ask. So you will get here all those scenarios or all those actual question which they have asked. So you can refer this playlist. I will share this playlist into the description. So let's talk about the question. So what they have given here like question. You have a employee table which having employee ID, name, manager ID, and department. Okay, and you have to find the list of the employee who have a manager into the same department, like not manager into the same department. So we have only one employee table. So what we will do the joining condition, like we will join the employee table with the employee table itself. So we will use here self join. So let's open this SQL, and first like I have created this table. So if you have not created the table, you will not have the table, right? So for the practice purpose, I'll give this a script like create a statement. So I have used this employee join table over here. And if you want, like there are more scenarios as well for the department, like for performing full join or to find the department, all those things, right? Department name, if they will ask to find you the department name, you have to join again with the department table. So for that, like I have created the department as well. But our first question, the first fix will be this, like how we will approach this question. So we will look into that first. First, like create the table. You I'll upload this script into the description or attach somewhere. Then you have to again insert the values. Like I have insert 20 record into that. So th- let's start from here. Like we have a employee table, right? So let's visualize this. Suppose we have employee table and we have data, employee ID, first name, last name, then email, phone number, hire date, job ID, salary, manager ID, and the department ID. Okay. So what we will do over here, we will select. Okay, and as of now, like I'll leave the list of the column which are going to select. So we'll start from the from keyword, and then we will select the employee, right? And we will consider this employee as a employee, right? Employee table. Now like what we will do, we will join it with the again with same table employee, and I'll consider this table as a manager detail. Okay, so first table it will contain the employee detail, second table it will contain the manager detail. So suppose this is Steven, right? Stephen King. Suppose this is an employee. This person is an employee, and his manager is null. So we will not get any value for this Stephen. But for Nina, right? Nina's Nina's manager ID is 100. So we will look into this 100. 100 is for a Steven. So Steven will be the manager of Nina, right? If you'll means take out this. Suppose like this Nina. Nina's employee ID is 100 and his manager ID 101 and his manager ID is like 100. So what we will do, we while joining, right? Over here, we will give the condition, joining condition, e dot manager ID. We will consider employees manager ID, right? We will join the Nina's manager ID with the manager's employee ID. So what will be equal m dot employee ID. So if you look over here, right? Now e dot first name, e dot last name, comma. Let's take the employee ID as well. E dot employee ID. Then we will take the e dot manager ID and we will take that e dot department ID. Then m dot manager ID as manager ID, comma m dot first name as m first name. Joining, right? If we'll join over the manager ID and employee ID, we will get our values like this. So suppose like for employee ID 101, right? Over here, we are this for Nina, right? The manager ID is 100. So for that we are getting the Stephen, right? For the Stephen, right? Let's consider over here employee ID. So this, right, for Stephen, right? We are getting 100 because Nina's manager is 100 and employee ID of 100 is Stephen. So Stephen will become the Nina's manager. So this way, right? Now what they have asked, we have to filter, right? The question is like we have to filter out like list of the employees who don't have the manager in the same department, right? So let's go over here and we will select over here the e dot department. Let's department ID we have selected, then we will select one more thing like m dot department ID. So it will be manager department. So what we will do, we will do e dot department ID not equals to m dot department ID. So let's check over here what are the value we will get. So suppose like Alexander over here, right? Alexander department ID is 6, but his manager department ID is 9, right? So if you'll compare this both, or if you look over here, right? Both we have satisfied both the condition. We have chosen out from one table, like we can look over here how we, if someone will ask the application of the self join, where do we use self join, right? In this question, like if they will ask, they will you can answer two question as well. This is the best use case for the self join. Like if we have a table employee and we can want to use self join, we can use the self join over here to find the details of the manager. So if you'll do the self join, we can find the manager details as well. And the second question they have given to filter out the record which don't have the manager into the same department. So that use case also it's satisfying over here. So this way, like this will be your final query. I'll also attach this into the like GitHub repo and I'll post it. And give the link into the description. So this will become your solution. You can give the answers like this. This will be your solution. And they have like write SQL to list of the employees. So you can just only collect the employee ID in first name, last name. That's it. No need of manager ID and all those things like this all you can keep for your purpose or understanding purpose or visualizing purpose. So yeah, this will be like fine. If we'll look into this, right, employee ID 100, or if we look in for the employee 102, right? So let's search for 102 who will be the manager. So I think that is for the filter condition, right? That's not satisfying. That's why we are not getting the result for that. So that's fine. I'll attach all those things. And like if you want to study for the IBM, right, you can refer my playlist, and like you can subscribe to my channel as well. It will help me to grow and motivate to upload new videos again. So thanks for watching my video.